Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel for all my new followers, and welcome back to all my ride or dies. So anyway, I just wanted to say that I am doing a video for Craspire. They contacted me, I guess a couple months ago, and asked me to, was I interested in checking out their product. They was going to send me some stuff for free. She gave me a limit around 40. I think mine was like, I spent like $45 that she sent me with for stuff. And 47 I think it was. And anyway, she was going to send me the stuff for free, try it out, and I had to do a demo, you know, unboxing and a demo of it. So I have been out of town, so this arrived while I was on vacation. I've been gone for a few weeks, even though you might have seen some videos on my channel. I tried to do a whole bunch of them before I left, and then, you know, took some time off, and then I started putting some back up when I was on vacation. I started posting them. But so I'm behind on my videos, and so I'm behind on getting this out. So, this is my unboxing, and Craspire, CRASPIRE.com is the name of the website, which of course would be in my show me box below, as well as the links to all the different products that I received, so you can try them out as well, and you can go through the page and see what they have. So, some of the things that they have, of course, you know, is the wax seals. But not only the wax seals, which I'll show you some of the stuff that I have, but all the components that go along with it, the tools and everything. They do have stationery. So they have stamps. They have, when I say stationery, they have like, I want to say like felt scrapbook albums, kind of like a, what do you call them? Traveler's notebooks. They have the stationery kits, so you can have the envelopes, or maybe you want to do certificates. They have washi. They have things like that go along with mailing things. They even have like the thank you labels, like 1,000 packs of thank you for supporting my small business. And they have different things like that. So they have kits where you can get the wax and the spoons and the tea light candles and stuff like that, all in a whole kit together, box kits. They have loose different color beads. I mean, when I say beads, I mean wax. And they have handles, and they have, oh my gosh, they have like 1,000, I'm not exaggerating, maybe 2,000 seals that you can use with imprints. They have tons of them from all types of, you know, designs and interests, different handles, different spoons, different holders to put your tea lights in. So tons of stuff, anything that you want with that. And they have it broken down by different categories and stuff like that. Like I said, they have stamp collection. You can do customized stamps. So you have all the different types of not only this form of the wax, but you have like the long string wax pieces, customized stamps, 3D stamps, the handles, the heads, the sets, just a plethora to choose from. So you definitely have a lot that you can go through and look at. I'm just looking on the website again, trying to think of anything that I've missed that they may have, you know. So really you'll see a lot. You'll see the little snuffers, you know, to snuff out the candles, so candle kits and stuff like that to trim the wax. So you'll see, oh, they also have like the monogram sets where you can crimp like your book page, you know, or like the Notary Public type of people would have. So all of those kind of things like that. So definitely check out Craspire. They also on Instagram as well. So let me just jump in and show you what I have. So this right here, and I'm going to open it up. Sorry. Okay, I'm just, oh Lord, dropping stuff. Saw my face right there. I didn't overget that. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Just got home. 8 hours flying. You know, you're tired. But anyway, I'm trying to get this up. I'm going to make it video. I got to go to work tomorrow. Oh my God. Into the office. No rest. But that was my fault for the time I came home. But anyway, this is my black painted iron wax furnace. And right now this is actually on sale on the website. But I have the link to that below. And I think the regular price on this was $9.79, but it's on sale right now for $8.39. Don't know if that'll still be up by the time this video's up, but kind of looks like a little reindeer. Then I got this little kit right here, which is, you know, I had to get in my signature color. Y'all know me, you know, I had to go there. So These are the red little stars. These are 200 pieces of the wax seal right here. I know just like how they feel. And you use like 3 of them at a time. So it comes with this nice sturdy jar, full to the brim. So you get a nice, they come in mixed ones, solid colors, all kinds of different colors. So you just have to go up there and pick and choose which kind of kit. And like I said, it's probably about maybe 6 or 8 different types, or maybe more than that, different designs on that. So with this kit comes the 200 pieces of the wax seal. And again, I chose FireBrick red. In here also you came with some tea lights, and I believe it's 4 tea lights. Yep, so you got your 4 tea lights that came with it, which I have tons of those myself. And then it comes with 2 spoons. So these are the 2 basic silver metallic spoons that come with it. So that's this kit right here, and this kit was $17.79. Now they have more expensive kits that have different types of handles, different types. This can come with it in a kit. Mine were separate. So I did pick up a different handle. Well, I did not a different handle, but I picked up a handle to go with my seals. I was going to get a different spoon, but I was already over my limit. I won't try to be greedy, but I already went over my limit. But I did pick this one out. This is, I thought was pretty. This is rose colored. I thought that was really nice. And my lighting kind of is late at night. But this is very pretty, I thought. I like this. Very feminine and pretty, and just puts you in that mind when you think about seals, you know, or you think about that, you know, dated art of sealing, you know, that they did back when the kings, royalties, the monarchy, and all those kind of things back in the day. And then I also ended up getting me a couple seals. So, and these are 25mm heads. So I got D, because one, my name starts with a D, Dawn, and my channel, DaretoBeCreative, starts with a D. So I thought I would get a D. So they do have all the different monogram letters that you can find. So this is my D right here. Very pretty. And of course you could just screw that right here. Boom. I know they don't match, but boom, isn't that pretty? Yeah. See, all of these are gold, but I wanted a rose gold. I could have got a gold handle because they come in different colors, woods, different metals, but I just thought it was pretty. And then the other one, I had to get a little, you know, girly girl, feminine. I could say, what girl doesn't love high heel shoes? So this one's called high heel shoes. So I got that. I thought that was cute. Just something girly, you know, some shoes. I love stilettos. So those were the 2 heads that I chose. And again, I'll have the link below to all of these. And again, these are interchangeable. You just unscrew it, and you just screw the next one on. Boom. Of course, these you're going to sit under here to melt your wax. You're going to put the wax in there, and you have your spoon right here. Boom, and it'll melt. Then you take it, pour it out, and boom. I will do that in the next video and show you what I have come up and made. But I did want to get this up. And again, check out the description box below because you get $5 off of 40, and so that's a good deal. And so that's DaretoBeCreative 5. So check that out. And they also got some sales going on the page right now. So go check it out. So that'd be, you know, really nice. Like I said, different things that you can check out that's going to go along with this art of waxing, washi, stationery, stickers, and things like that. Stickers to say like thank you and different things like that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.